1. Cut 3 to 5 pieces of tape about the same size as your bra's cup. This taping method creates the illusion of a strapless, seamless bra, so think about how big your average cup is. The larger your cup, the more tap you'll need. The smaller your cup, the less tap you'll need. 2. Stick the base of the tape under your breast and pull upwards over your nipple. Start in the middle of your breast, and rub the tape in place. You may need to use your other hand to hold your breast. This will be tape 1. 3. Stick a new piece of tape next to tape 1. Overlap the ends of tape 2 with tape 1 at the top of your breast. This will create a triangle-like shape that lifts and smooths. 4. Repeat with tapes 3 through 5 until your breast is secure. Each piece of tape should start at the base of your breast, come up over your breast, and overlap at the top of tape 1. 5. Do the same on the other breast and boom. You've got a strapless and backless bra that has the girls looking flawless.